To begin with, install MongoDB. We will in version 4.2 on Windows 10. First, we will scan to the main page to isolate Mongo. Second, isolate the installer. Third, we will select the version, the operating system, and the AMC package. After then, the installer will be deleted. Then the installer is run to configure. After run the service as a local user, then it registers the service name, direction, data, and register. Next option, Mongo Compass, is disabled. The installation is running and ends. After, it has to go to the folder that Mongo creates. Then is opened the CMD of our computer. Finally, Mongo is running with the mongodb command in order to use the system.